So these guys are probably born in around March, April. So they're only a couple of months old. But they get on their feet pretty quickly. Just ask
oh, naughty.
A lamb is a bigger sheep.
Yeah, you're naughty. What you got? What you got there? Huh? Oh, why are you chewing in there? Are you teething?
You are sweet. Yes, you are.
Moved away too quickly.
Oh, you're so nice. Oh.
Wanna hold him?
Oh my goodness.
You want to hold him, huh? You want to hold him?
Maybe after
So they're getting big here, they. No one was saying something about losing two. Did two die?
Yeah.
Why did they die?
Just sudden death.
Sudden death. Right.
Yeah.
Cutie.
Weed out the week.
Yeah?
Probably wouldn't have made it outside anyway, like, they're that small. Some of them, like the competition between the lambs, like, you know, they'd say with us, like, fight for survival, so there'd be big lambs, and the bigger lambs get stronger, and the stronger they get, the more food they eat, they have less of a chance the younger ones, so it's just their own fighting instinct.
Sliding down here.
Right.
Anybody else want to hold it?
God, I grew up on a sheep farm, never seen that happen.
Oh, you're so precious. I don't know if she's too terribly long, but I don't know. I don't know. So that they can not be so hot. I don't know. I don't know what it has to do with the season. If it's just when they're using the wool, or you know. I don't know.
But you're always here. What's shearing time?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
there must be
shearing.
a certain time.
What a place to live. Just gorgeous.
Come by is always left.
So she just heard you at the beginning, and that's enough.
Yeah, but she's trained to go out in the sun. So I watch her. It's still a long way to go.
Look.
I see.
Yeah, she does.
A young dog would want
Look
to
at
get
her.
Look at her
So
go.
eventually, when they get older, they keep going out and out further. That's what you want them to do.
So she's doing.
So she's searching now. She's searching for sheep because sheep tend to hide in summer down rocks. It's too hot.
There's some real estate.
She's searching.
She is.
Once a year. Come by, Gwenna. Come by.
Oh gosh.
Come by, Gwenna.
So you can have.
Come by. Come by. Come by. Come by. Come by.
You can have 3 or 4 dogs working at once, and each responds to different commands. So you can have
Nice
one here
couple sheep.
responding to voice commands, and you can have another dog responding to whistle commands.
She's getting her work out.
Yeah, he's coming right behind them. He's doing it. Jacob.
They're Middle Eastern sheep. Brown wool.
Wait.
Oh, more over there hiding.
And the reason that the sheep are afraid or fear the dog is because it reminds them of a wolf in the wild. So they have big respect for the dog. It's important to have dogs that are very relaxed and calm, because if a dog was to say injure one of the sheep, it would be a useless dog because that's damaging our profits.
Right.
So the dogs have this very good temperament. And a good border collie could be worth several €1,000.
You can all move around here. Feel free to walk wherever you want to. Walk on. Walk on.
Instinctive fear.
Wait. Wait. Walk on. Come on. Walk on. Sit down now. Sit. Wait. Walk on. Sit. Walk.
Creeper. She's creeping now. It's amazing. Oh, look at her. She's just like.
And sheep have no leader, so there's a different leader every day. So when one sheep goes in a general direction, the rest of them tend to follow in a flock.
Right.
So what Gwen is doing now is known as stalking. So she'd sit down and stalk the prey. And the red dye that you can see on the sheep, that's what we use to characterise Kissane sheep farm. So a red marking or a red K for Kissane is how we know these sheep are ours. So if you travel up towards Mall's Gap, now towards Avoca, you'd see that there's different coloured on the different, and several hundred lambs are born every April in the lambing season. And it can be very tough for the dogs and the sheep in the hot climates of summer, because the hotter it gets and they're out all day running around, so we change the sheep from different tours. So this flock here will be changed now before the next tour comes, so that they're not as tired. We might change dogs as well, if the dog isn't too wrecked. So you could find some clever sheep who hide between rocks and they avoid being brought in. So you could have some sheep up in the mountains for several months without being brought in, and you can tell because they have a bigger wool, bigger coat. So they're the clever ones who hide and they get laid. They're shared once to twice a year depending, but mainly once, just for there's so many you have to get through, so just once. Yeah, we don't dog them here. For the Highland sheep, mainly, for lowland sheep,
I'm still running things here.
so they're from the Middle East countries, and they have the brown coats, so that they increase the proficiency, so they make all of the sheep around here a lot stronger, because they breed a stronger lamb. The lamb has the Highland breed and the Jacob breed, so it's used to the high temperatures and the rough Highland terrain. So they'd be worth a lot more as well. So Evan's going to release the ball back out now.
Heel.
Oh. Gonna get one little last. Not let me chase him anymore.
And then Evan himself has. Evan, how many dogs do you have now? 5. Evan has 5. Yeah, they stay together in their own pens. So here we have a
really
different
like
pen
to
for each sheepdog. So they're separated at night and then brought back out